There's a Hulk in there. Let's see what you got crack-a-lacking. 1,000 wheel horsepower, maybe? You guys are wondering, oh, let's get out of the rain. I'm not scared of the rain. I'm a Raptor owner now. I don't get scared of the rain. But anyways.
I work in the rain. I don't want to deal with it no more.
You guys might be wondering where the Hulk has been. Well, we're here at Evolution Performance because Kong has now ported the Hulk. They have their new 108 throttle body. We're going to check it out. And on top of that, guys, we're going to see the new pulley. The SP Performance 2.7 pulley is now on the Hulk. It's going to make some crazy power. It's going to be crazy, guys. We'll take you into the shop and see what Hulk's up to. And remember, guys, August 31st, it's all over. Like your last chance, grab a hat like this. You'll be entered to win our Shelby GT500 giveaway. So check it out. But enough of that. Let's go check out the Hulk. We are here at Evolution with Kong Performance's all-new ported blower and throttle body and SP's pulley. What's up, Dalton? Appreciate you. Working some overtime. Ready to go. Let's slap her on.
Ready, Steven?
All right, guys. Bolting on some power. And you guys can also see,
I say this for you to unbox it if you want.
Oh, shoot. There it is, guys. What you seen so far? What you did?
I'll say these SP pulleys are pretty awesome. You know?
Okay, cool.
The way the hub goes on is very nice. The tools they give you is pretty cool. Dan over there's the man. He seems to know his stuff. I like the abrasion they have on there. It's pretty nice.
Yeah. So guys, if you don't know, this is SPE Standard Performance's all new pulleys here on the Hulk. We're excited. I see you put in the Whipple fittings for the upgraded intercooler.
Yep, the Whipple stuff installed really nice. It's actually really good quality. I'm impressed. This is the first one I've seen in person. So
all right,
I popped it on there. It's a 10-minute install. So anyone can do this in the garage. You just got to make sure to drain your coolant down. So
yeah.
Other than that, yeah, it's pretty straightforward.
Now I do see a lot of room in there.
Oh yeah.
Talk to me about what Kong did.
We take actually a good amount out of that thing. So what we do is we have our CNC port that we go in there and basically get rid of unneeded material. So
great.
Adding power, losing restriction, and you know.
And you guys, if you don't know, I'll put the link in the description. If you're a 500 owner, you can get your blower ported just like this. You guys have cords available.
Yes, we do.
So how does it work? They send it in and you send it back?
Yep. So actually, the next person who gets a cord will get your original Stangmode blower. So
if you guys want my original blower, go to Evolution and grab yours because this is a cord that you guys had ready for me already.
Yep. Kongperform.com, and you can order away. Just make sure to give us a call and let us know you want to do the cord exchange, and I can just have that expedited for you. It's no problem.
And if people are wondering why it took a little bit longer for the video, is because we were waiting on Ford to get us the all-new 108.
Yes, we're waiting for some of the electronics to come in for that, and it took a little bit longer than we expected, but we now have them ready to go. So,
all right,
that is now ready for you.
I'm excited. You mind holding it for me, brother? Hulk breathe even. Oh goodness gracious, that's a big Kong Performance.
I like that.
So we got Hulk and King Kong over here joining forces. This looks really good.
What's nice about our throttle body is we offer an O-ring in the back.
Okay.
So there's no need for gaskets or RTV.
Oh, that's nice. The O-ring in the back. That's really
nice. Yeah.
Very nice.
Yep. But yeah, no RTV.
Oh man, great job.
This thing's in the screen.
It's good. Ooh, you want to hear blower noises? It's gonna happen
this
now.
This paired with the JLT is amazing.
Oh, dude. Alone, like, look at the way this is engraved.
I like that.
This is like, if you're wondering who to go with, like, tell me that's not badass looking. You got like a King Kong looking thing.
I like the King Kong. I like the King Kong. That's Kong.
The Kong Performance. So.
Wow. I guess I like the O-ring thing too.
That was really.
That's nice.
It's a nice little touch.
That's a nice touch.
Most people don't really understand, but it's ease of install. You're not gooping stuff on there.
That's so smart. Appreciate it, Dalton. I ain't gonna keep you. And what we're gonna do is this, guys. Dalton is gonna finish up the install. Then guess what's happening next? We're gonna go back to the dyno and see what Let's see what Hulk's making now.
What were you making before?
It was 844 over at L&M. 832 was here at Evolution Dyno. So we'll go off of that. So, any guesses, or you want to jinx it? Let's wait for it.
I don't know. We'll see.
Let's see. Let's just wait for it.
At least 9.
We actually have a 2.7 pulley on here now.
Oh, we have a 2.7, not a 2.65.
We're not running a 2.65.
Okay, so
this is just a 2.7 upper with stock lower.
Perfect.
But running the JLT with our 108 and our port, you know, so that'll
make some music. I'll put links in the description for all the parts that have been upgraded to this. But most importantly, the first one is the Kong Performance porta blower and throttle body, because that's gonna, and the pulley, of course. So this Hulk's pretty serious now, guys.
This is a serious car.
It is a serious car. So, I mean, it's gonna be crazy.
Oh yeah.
Yo, appreciate you guys burning the midnight oil here. This is a Friday evening, dude. Thank you so much.
You got it.
Staying later to get Hulk dialed in, because I think I was talking to him every day, like, where we at? What's going on? Where we at? What up? We had like a tornado, we had a hurricane, we had all types of stuff.
We've been through a lot of
We've
stuff,
been through
you know?
a lot, dude. But no, this is good, man. All right, guys, to show you, this is a stock intercooler brick that came out of the Hulk, and we did upgrade, if you saw last video, with the Hulk to the Whipple intercooler. Of course, these are the stock water lines you can see here. These have all been changed out for the Whipple heavy duty stuff. So it's gonna be good. So just so you know, this is a reminder, SPE 27 pulley, Kong Performance porta blower and throttle body, along with the Whipple intercooler and upgraded components for that. So we're gonna take this back in the Raptor. I'm gonna get out your hair. Want me to get out your hair?
Oh, you're good, man.
Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna head out, and then I'm gonna grab those wheels and tires, and we'll keep texting each other all day, and we'll make it happen. Special delivery. We got our new wheels from Signature Mustang. I'm so excited. These are the all new, never before seen color on the SP107 spec. Of course, we have our Mickeys here. Let me unbox these for you. Shout out to Han Solo, GT500R, Signature Mustang. These wheels are gonna go on Hulk, and if you don't know, these are the wheels now for the Ford Performance Mustangs. Look at this, guys. Custom color. This is actually brushed black tint, they call it. The reason we went for it is because I didn't want to get completely black and like hide the wheel. So this almost has like an anthracite gray / black look to it. He's gonna look fire, guys. We're gonna put them in the Raptor, Beta Raptor, and then we're gonna head over to Evolution and get these mounted on Hulk. These are gonna be so fire. Thumbs up if you approve. All right, y'all, we are here at Evolution, and we're gonna drop off the, look at this in the sunlight, guys. It's gonna look so good. Hulk's up there right now. They're finishing up, of course, the porta blower and throttle body. And we have these wheels.
This one looks so good.
Custom, this is a custom paint job that they've done for, this is like the first one they've done. Cause I said I wanted like a, you know, kind of black, but gray, but like make it pop. It's gonna look fire. All right, let's load these, let's put these over at, they're very light too, guys, by the way.
Yeah, they're very light.
Very light considering. So,
Yep.
against the green.
I like, that's what I mean. I really like it with the green.
Yep.
Really like it with the green.
It's gonna look so good, guys. Oh,
Yeah.
I can't wait. All right, I'm gonna leave this stuff here, and then we'll let them do their thing. We'll come back when it's all done.